Hello, nice to see you again. Hope you're all keeping well and not getting too stressed with this current lockdown. Thank you for all the questions that you had sent. One of them came from Abby, all the way from America. She was wondering whether alcoholic mouthwash can prevent coronavirus. Well, first of all, the alcohol content in the mouthwash is not strong enough to kill the coronavirus. However, using a mouthwash is an important part of the routine that will keep your oral hygiene in tip-top condition. This is in addition to brushing twice daily with an electric toothbrush and cleaning in between your teeth with incidental brushes or floss. Alcohol causes this initial burning sensation and dries the mouth out. It also destroys both good and bad bacteria, whereas alcohol-free mouthwash tends to target the bad bacteria only. So my suggestion would be that if you get a daily mouthwash, try and choose an alcohol-free one. People who suffer from dry mouth due to medications or any other health conditions can especially benefit. I'm also getting some calls about waking up in the morning with headache, pain in the jaw, the neck and shoulder areas. These are classic symptoms that you've been clenching and grinding your teeth at night. This is most likely caused by stress, not surprisingly, during these frustrating times. To relieve these symptoms include taking some painkillers, massaging your temple and your jaw muscles. You can also use a moist, warm cloth in the area. There are also jaw exercises that you can do. There's a simple one that I can show you now. Face the mirror and open and close your mouth just for small distances, looking into the mirror and making sure your teeth are lined up evenly, like so. And if you do it for about 15 times and repeat it 3 times with about 30-second rest in between. And that should help. Also try to do some meditation to reduce the stress. There are apps out there such as Calm or Headspace, which are guided meditations which are relatively easy to use. One of the things that you can get from supermarkets to relieve some of the minor tooth or gum ailments that you may have. You can try clove oil. Clove oil has an active ingredient called eugenol. It has a natural anaesthetic effect. So what it means is that it can numb and reduce toothache. It is also antibacterial. That means it can reduce any inflammation and swelling in the affected area. However, it does have an unpleasant side effects if you swallow it. So it should only be used by adults. How to apply clove oil? The best thing to do is use a cotton bud and dip it into the oil and then apply to the affected tooth or area, bite together on it and leave it on for a couple of minutes. After that, you should spit out the saliva and not eat or drink for about half an hour. Hope all this information is helpful to you and we'll see you next week. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment on any questions that you may have so that I can answer them for you next time.